very clearly. Hello. Hello, if you're there and you can hear the sound, please indicate. Yes, if you're hearing the sound and you're with me, please could you indicate? Okay, that's good. Yes, a wonderful good morning to you all, my conscious Edo people. I remain no other person than yours, noble right activist, Comrade Ike Bogu Emmanuel. If you're here with me, before I say what I have to say, I want you all to share this broadcast. I want you all to invite. I want the viewing strength this morning to be very broad, because I do not see a reason why persons who I am not jealous about, persons who I don't owe anything, persons who ordinarily I don't have any relationship with them apart from the fact that I know them to be people that are supporting the governor. I am not a fan of the governor because I dislike some of his policies as a governor. So please, before we start, I want you all to share this broadcast, because this morning I think our simplicity, I think our open-mindedness is now being taken for granted. If you are with me this morning, please, I want you to share. I have a whole lot to say this morning. I want you to share and invite our people, our Edo people, to join us on this broadcast this morning. Because the matter we may get to talk this morning na very simple issue, but very direct. Because I no go fit dey on my own, they do my thing, they go. Some people, if they never dey mention my name, they mention my name, their matter, their issue no dey complete when they dey talk. Meanwhile, na them skeleton, rabbit, lizard, snakes, many for inside their cupboard. Who know me for Edo State know say since the days of Adansali Oshomole, now we don dey fight for Edo people. Now let's say social media no dey. I believe say some people wey dey enjoy popularity today, na we make them popular. Na we even encourage them for civil society before they come take join politics when they dey popular. Very many of them, I know where I don from dey help dey come. Even if I no get skyscraper, I know where I for don dey help people dey come. So I no see reason wey be say this boy dey call Abat. If you want to do live video with anybody where there is saga or anything, if he does not mention my name, he is not settled. The issue between you and Stainless, in fact, before we start, let me make this official. Abat, Obaze, or whatever they call you, I am talking to you personally this morning. I just made that time to ensure that you hear very well from me. I believe some time ago in 2017 or 18 thereabout, on my way to government house, I was walking, came down from a taxi at the government house gate. I was strolling, taking a walk into government house to visit the then Arase committee. When I saw somebody, bringing his head out from an ML Mercedes Jeep, filming me with his camera phone, say, hey, see the Manuel Agbogun, see the Manuel Agbogun they talk about, see the Manuel Agbogun. Eh? Oh, but wetin happen when you dey film me? Na so I take know this about. But before I know am, say na him be the about, when we do one protest about NPDC and the empowerment of Edo youth, they come arrest Kotisugbo. Na Abat come and come dey shout, dey clap, dey say, man, na better thing governor do. Hey, they want the whole governor to ransom. Hey, na I take respond to am say you are a daft. Somebody come out to say, man, they must recognize our people. You run come and say the person are daft. I laugh. That one pass. That was the first time I think I knew about or thereabout when I hear the name Abat. The second scenario na say I dey waka dey go government house to go do my normal civil society support wey we dey give the oppressed people in our society. When somebody dey grab a land with force for one of those communities for Ute, I carry the matter go Arase committee, they report am. After they report am, they begin to attend to the issue. They can't give us date to they go government. Now bad see me for motor. Now run, bring camera. Some of you now dey for social media that time go see know wetin I dey talk about. Begin to film me say this na the Manuel Agbogun, this na the Manuel Agbogun. I come shock. Wetin concern me concern this guy. Na so you go take dey do your own. I kept quiet. After that time, series we dey talk government issue. My name no dey finish for their mouth. Every day, every now and then they are calling my name. What now surprised me of late now is that anytime these people dey see me with Tony Kabaka, whether will I call it jealousy or will I call it a way of gaining more popularity before the governor, that is their paymaster, that is their principal. I don't know. If you have observed very, very closely, before Abat will mention my name, he will mention Kola Adebayo's name. But since Kola Adebayo started working for the government as a representative of civil society in the judicial panel of inquiry, Abat no dey mention his name again. Abat now no dey mention his name again. More na dey hear o, more na dey lis ten o, my people. Yesterday, now I see say na 1 year. Me no even forget say na 1 year of Tony Kabaka hotel demolition, illegal hotel demolition. Because na only foolish people na im go dey see dey applaud our governor, say governor do well, say governor do better thing. 1 year wey dey demolition, then the guy cry come and say, man, my people, I thank una for those of una wey dey remember me, wey dey support me. Today na 1 year wey dey demolish my hotel. I thank una. And for those of una wey be say na because of wetin we dey do na make dey demolish my hotel, una neglect me. Make una still try dey remember say I dey here o. I no see anything bad in wetin the guy talk. The guy on his own, na him come out from him house, na him do a live video. I only saw the video on the internet as somebody that is my friend, my senior brother, that I respect so much, that has also been helpful to me in both personal, private, and public issues. I say, no, make I still upload this our brother photo for my platform, video for my platform. I did it only for me to hear 9 hours ago say wetin Abat dey talk, say Comrade Tony Kabaka recruit me as what now? As a spokesman or as what? the same way I dey talk to other politicians, baby politicians for the state na so I take dey talk to Comrade Tony Kabaka. He's a man with a good heart. When me I first know Tony Kabaka na when we dey fight Oshomole government. We wrestle Oshomole government to make sure that property tax today is has been thrown to the book of history. The issue of property tax today, e no just dey the landmark of Edo State. If you dey talk about those things, e go dey cause some of us Daneche, Stanley Osadaye, Kola Edokpaye, before Kotisugbo go betray, because that one has been a betrayer, collected money and sold out the struggle. I have been on the forefront of advocating for Edo people, right from Adams Ali Oshomole's government. I, Emmanuel Agbogun, at a very young age, without any financial support, with the whole government to ransom, with intellectual engagements, with constructive engagements. So when e come reach Obaseki tenure, I no even know say social media dey even dey give that. I no know say social media dey even dey give all those kind popularity, dey give all those kind informative platform for people to discuss. Na mega comrade na still make me know say social media get force. And since then, as somebody wey be say I dey open-minded, I come key into the social media aspect. To date, e no get why I dey drag for social media say my war big pass im war, or e no get why I dey drag for social media say I popular pass you. But since this year, since this Obaseki second tenure start, if una notice very well, how bad no dey do live video make my name no dey finish for im mouth. Emmanuel Agbogun this, Emmanuel Agbogun that. You and Stainless, your sister wey two of una work together for Obaseki, una get issue over money. You mention my name, you mention Kola Edokpaye name. Now Kola don dey work to assist government for panel of inquiry. You now, you don leave Kola now, na my name you dey mention. Before I dey talk, una know say me I no dey just carry talk. Na im make dem say every day I dey criticize, I dey insult government. I never come out one day insult Obaseki. Na truth wey dey very glaring I dey tell Obaseki. Truth wey be say dey very glaring. I know how many times wey be say Obaseki don call local government chairman, call commissioner, say see wetin dis boy talk, people should go and sort it out. I dey my house, I dey get all the information. I know how many times wey be say even people for the PDP dey come and say, Manuel, please go and talk about this thing, oh, please we beg you, abeg na only if you talk and governor go hear. I know how many times if I look and say na wetin our people want, I go all out. I never dey one day person count money say man take go dey do a video for me. No. Tony Kabaka I say dey oppress am well. Dey oppress am anyhow for the state. Dey oppress that guy well. No be him be the only person wey don throw mouth give governor. People dey throw mouth give Buhari. How many house wey Buhari demolish? How many house wey Buhari demolish? If una no know say that one na very big shame. I cannot be a governor because somebody criticize me, somebody laugh at me, then I will go and demolish his property. History alone will judge Obaseki with time. In over 14 houses that you say were on government land, na only one person wey you go demolish, and you sit down say you be governor. You fit say because say you dey enjoy government money, tomorrow when you no dey enjoy, you fit say everything go dey well. People's prayer are also there, but however, that's not the discussion wey I'm talking today. Na Abat na I come talk to. Now we gone past that one. They demolish the guy house. I say they oppress this guy because of politics again. Now they do video right from when this Tony Kabaka incident started. I was always ensuring that I give it the publicity that it deserves. Never a time will I come out to say no. Until the day of the demolition, when I came out to say, Governor, what you have done is bad. And the matter still dey court today. And even God, even stone, even the blind, even the deaf, even the those that can see, everybody knows say that way governor do na bad thing. Even our monarch, na make I talk and say at times when they dey blame some of us, we go talk say na wetin the leaders dey do na we dey follow. Even our monarch don come out to type that number say na abomination to demolish house for Benin. na abomination. Oshomole be Benin man. Before you go demolish your house, you go make sure say you go finish all the court processes with you for court if you carry am go court. And if you wan demolish your house, you go make sure say your house dey block right of way. No be say you just demolish person house na government land, you mark 13 people house, you go demolish only one. Now the young man now wey dey demolish him house, the man come and say na 1 year wey dey demolish my house, see wetin I dey go through. Come dey talk say you dey mention him name. How does that now get Emmanuel Agbogu involved? I wan play wetin una hear tin Abba talk. Hear now, because some of all these people, if they never mention my name for their matter, e no dey sweet. Meanwhile, na dem dey romance with government, na dem dey chop government money. I dey come make I carry am to that video because I no get long time to play.
If you want to navigate your work to PDP, please don't use my name. You are making it look as if it is Abatabade and the impostor that is fighting you. How? Show a video that Christian and the impostor has mentioned your name. Show a video where I say, Tony or Mercury insult you after the election. Show the video. You want to use me like Abatabade is the problem. Please, so my popularity is giving you serious headache. My acceptance across the globe, is giving you serious headache. So please, you are saying the APC leaders, they abandon you, nobody is asking you about the hotel. Trust me, most of those leaders, they're not even saying they're going to do what you do. I have people in APC that said you contributed to the downfall of Isaiah. You think Isaiah is happy with you? All the relations Isaiah was just pretending. I talk about the notable APC leaders in the state. You only mentioned Agathon Shomole. Agathon Shomole is your biggest problem, you don't know. Until you sit down and realize it, you don't know. For the first time you called, you have to call SA.
Mo na hear na be the place where for mention my name. Mo na hear wetin you talk o.
You call them the Atia party, marry, you Atia party, you know they are marry. Mr. Tony will marry. I don't know if the phone was on speaker. I said, I called him after 12. I said, are you able to say it? I said, for me, I cannot be defending the governor and say that defending Tony Kabaka. I said, I'm not interested in defending him. Whatever they are with that time, Ramiro was always insulting him, insulting Shomole, insulting the governor, insulting Captain Osa. He said, no, I'll remember now, arrest any governor. The next day I came to South Africa, was Shuniku, with his boss. I thought I was going to do something, which I did. I'm going to Palia, until tomorrow, I still have nothing personal against you. You use me to fight. There are people, you use me to fight a lot of people. When you moved, you recruited other people, recruited the likes of Emmanuel Agbogu. But you are sure that up to date, they still cannot match me. There is no social media influencer or there is no social media APC influencer that can match me. It's not possible. That's the shock. Because my style is very, very different. I'm different from the rest of them. Many of them are beggars. They fall cheap for anything. So please, if you want to navigate your work to PDP, please don't use my name. as if it is Abatabate and the posture that is fighting you out.
Well,
Show a video that recent.
I wouldn't want to base much on this video to give you more gems to this video. It's on his wall. You can go and watch it. But I think you guys have also heard how he mentioned my name. The next thing he started saying is that we are beggars. And I don't know if there's any time I've come to beg you about. In fact, the last time I checked, you and your boys, Festus, or your PA, whatever they call them, you are the one narrating me. I've never one day come to you to say, Abat, please come and assist me. The only day I know I've sat down with you in my life was the day we met at State CID. That woman that they put the armed robbers kid that had a store where governor demolished, where all those young entrepreneurs they do their photocopying. They also have a sit-out bush bar and all that at that junction by Reservation Road there. By the junction there, you know what I'm talking about. I don't know the matter you came for that day at the State CID, but you met me, also met Kola and some other of our comrades. We were outside there waiting for people that we had issues to resolve with at the police station. Since after that day, I have not met you. The least I will do is to carry my phone and call somebody like you. So I don't know when you start saying the issue of recruits. And to talk about it, is it that anybody that is not on the same page with you, that person is now an enemy? Don't I have right to support whoever I want to support? To the extent that you went as far as saying that myself and Tony Kabaka, we went to Abuja. You were the one that took me to Abuja, and we wore white and white. We were going to celebrate, but they fooled us. My brother, I want to tell you this morning, in case of nobody they tell you, my brother, I no come from family where they beg o. Even if I never get skyscraper, that one no mean say I be legbere for streets. That one no mean say I dey lick people boot dey waka for road, or I dey go dey shout praises of one man make dem give me money. Ask question where about me. Ask question where about who you dey talk. Every time Manuel Agbogunwe, wetin I do you? Wetin I do you? If you have noticed, Abbas cannot do video for 2 months without calling my name. Abbas cannot do video for 2 months without calling my name. If you also watch his kind of myopic lifestyle, because Kola has now been seen as somebody that is working with them, he did not mention Kola. Before he would say that Tony Kabaka recruited me and Kola Edokpaye to be doing video for him. Now he has removed Kola from the picture because Kola is now with the governor. You see how the reason? Now it is not me. My brother, go and ask people that put their hand in my matter. My God that I serve, my God that know my mind will disgrace them. You think maybe I'm just one person that fell from here? I look at my people at times and say, oh, yeah, Emmanuel is from Delta State. Today, the issues on social media that they will mention my name and mention, some negative things about our palace. You were the one that brought it out on social media and misinterpreted the whole video I did. But I looked at you, I laughed. Today, where God has kept me, even if I don't have up to the sky, but I don't believe you can attain that level in life. Any small thing, Emmanuel Agbogun. Any small thing, Emmanuel Agbogun. I call your wife. I be me and Kabaka now as a senior brother, person why they respect. In case of you never know before, me and Kabaka will don't fall out over issue of harassment. Wey boys dey do to us when we go Emagoro town hall meeting for Dansale Oshomole tenure as governor. We resolved that matter amicably when we saw that he had no hand in it. It was just some overzealous boys that wanted to impress him that came to attack myself, Kola Edokpaye and some other comrades. My brother, the work wey me don do for Edo State, wey me see dey do wey I never dey tire because nobody send me, na me dey do am by myself. If you fit do half of that one for the people, for the poor, for the ordinary people, my brother, God go help you pass the way wey you dey now so. But no be some of us wey be say we dey use our mind, our free will. Dey come out, dey advocate to our people, dey talk for the less privileged, dey resolve issues for people. Now you wan carry as a a mocking stock. My brother, God no dey sleep o. God no dey sleep. Because I don see a reason why my matter will not leave your mouth. Emmanuel Agbogun this, Emmanuel Agbogun that. How can you be saying that I was recruited? Can you come out to substantiate such proof? Do you know what's the meaning of recruitment? That they recruit me. My brother, I no get who I dey follow the drag o. For this social media wey I dey, if you even go look my page when I create, I look and say, my brother, no dey follow this people dey drag. Anybody, information no be by the number of followers wey you get. Now once the information gather weight and dey very very informative, e no get as the information no take go viral. I never wan dey call you for phone say how far come assist me I dey find. No, for what? But I know how many people wey I dey assist. So my brother, I wan take God name beg you, abeg no dey mention my name. No dey mention my name. The worst part be say you mention my name, you dey talk say we are beggars. I don beg you before, or call anybody wey you know say I beg am say make come give me food my chop. My brother, I take God name beg you o, no dey mention my name. Inside all the things wey we dey do for Edo State, wey we dey help people, you never see that one talk come out. Na to dey mention my name. Wetin I do you? Na so you gang up with Eddie Murphy. After that one don insult our Oba finish, you gang up with am, they begin to shout my name for social media. Emmanuel Agbogun this, Emmanuel Agbogun that. My brother, everybody get right to express himself. But if you see inside all the things wey we dey do, the best thing wey you go fit talk na say I dey insult governor. You never talk say I say make governor come put street light for Benin. You never talk say I say make governor go dey walk road wey dey abandon. You never say make governor come out, come make sure say those bad things wey we dey talk about, the governors come ensure say dem do am as the thing be, as e suppose be. No, na Emmanuel Agbogun dey insult governor. Emmanuel Agbogun dey do this one. Emmanuel Agbogun dey do that one. Emmanuel Agbogun is jobless. Emmanuel Agbogun is a hungry man. Emmanuel Agbogun is a beggar. Na only those ones una dey talk. All the good ones wey we dey do, wey una say na una get Edo people, na una be the highest people wey Edo people know. Na una popular pass. Na una dey do all the things pass. Una never see the ones wey we don do more na talk about am. Na to dey come out, dey spotlight us in the bad shape for no reason. For no reason. Now you and Comrade Tony Kabaka get matter, you don put Emmanuel Agbogun inside. You don put, because you know say once you put am, that time the gist go sweet. My brother, abeg, I take God name take warn you, leave me alone o. I take God name take warn you, leave me alone. The kind of name you have been giving to me since 2017 to date, please desist forthwith. If I choose to go on to call on my God, the God I serve, Jehovah Elohim, the God I serve, if I choose to call on him to fight my battle, my brother, you go run o. Abeg, no dey call my name. No be you dey feed me, no be you dey clothe me, no be you dey house, no be you dey pay my bills. Which one you gonna say I be hungry person? Which one you gonna say na so e be? My brother, the background wey my family dey for this Nigeria wey you dey so, 20 years time you no go fit reach that climax. Go and check Google. Then before you begin to come, go and check, go and ask question. Na military o, abi na electricity o, abi na standard organization o. Go and find out about my family before you begin to come. No be you person be say your never fit be counsellor, now you come dey talk to me. Abeg, if you get issue, go about your issue. If you get issue, go about your issue the way e be. Fulani herdsmen dey kill people for inside all the home, for inside all the bush. Dey kill our farmers, dey kill our women, dey rape our women. How many times wey you don come out? Una wey say una be spokesman to defend governor. Na una dey inform governor. How many times I don come out take condemn those kind acts? Na people talk, oh, they are paid people. If they talk, oh, na Tony Kabaka dey mobilize them. If they talk, oh, na this one. My brother, wetin I do you now? My mother no go let una mona comot hand. I start see of old work. Na every day una dey send people dey come my wall, dey insult me. That one no make me be say my fans make dem no patronize me, my brother. I take God name take beg una. Mona leave me alone o. Tomorrow na Osakuni coding. When you do your Osakuni coding, say all of us wey dey for Ipobayi na so we dey reason. Say you no know how our mentality be. If no be yahoo, people like you go fit come and come dey talk where you don work. If no be fraud, people like una fit come and come dey talk. Albert, make my matter comot for your mouth o, because the only rope wey I get to tie na say if I connect you to my God, e no go easy for you o. Every day, all the things wey we dey talk, I happy say many diasporans come Benin this season. Therefore, dey drive dey show us the street lights. Therefore, dey drive dey show us the mega roads wey governor don construct, wey make us dey talk. We talk come out now, na say na bad people we be. Now na Fulani herdsmen dey kill now. We dey talk come out. None of una dey talk o. None of una dey talk. To the extent be say now, na you by yourself now you don remove collar Idogbaye now say no be Kabaka dey hire am again. Now na me, abi? Oh boy, may you take your time o. Because the only thing I get to do na to kneel down call on my God to fight my fight. As you say this boy matter no go leave you, e no go allow you make you rest. You cannot talk about any other person without mentioning Emmanuel Agbogun. Very many times on your video I dey see am. Stanley own you go call my name, Kola own you go call my name, Stainless own you go call my name, Eraromigo own you go call my name, Tony Kabaka own you go call my. Wetin I do you? Abi I collect your wife? Please, if you cannot see the good things we are doing in our society and spotlight us for it, please off your camera and stay inside your house. Because the next time I will see you mention my name in a negative light, when I have not done anything wrong, I will make sure I come out in the open and call on my God, and you will see it manifest. Since you don't want to leave me alone, any small thing you are calling me, any small thing Emmanuel Agbogun, any small thing Emmanuel Agbogun. You started this thing for 2017 when you noticed that I was not supporting the governor. I have come out every day. You are asking Stanley to be accountable to those diaspora people. The governor that is managing our public money, how many times have you told him to come and give us accounts for what he has done? Person no fit remove sansan for im eye, na another person eye wan go dey remove sansan. My brother, I don take time fit tell you wetin I wan tell you. If you no wan comot hand for my matter go swallow your head o. Na God I dey serve. I no be cultist, I no believe in anything cultist, but me wey you see here so, if you no know, go find out. Na God dey carry me dey go. And if you say you wan pull hand, I go ensure say I tell my God to release the naked Baba and make e shock somebody. Make e shock somebody. So that whether the person waka or a kick bucket on your own. Because the way and manner in which you are going, any small thing man like bogun, any small thing man like bogun, all the good one wey dey see, you no dey see and talk. Na only the bad one. Na only the bad one. You know, guy, you don take never mention my name. 2007 dey come, and every time. You know dey do 2 months wey you no mention my name. Go and look at your wall. I'm always getting all the information. So my brother, they say na who no wan respect himself, na him dey see disrespect. I don tell you this morning, and as I talk reach, na so I don talk and reach. If you say you no wan hear word, no be only me. I no dey get time to watch your video. Na when dey draw my attention. Except say I look and say na broadcast wey be say concern politics when we dey do politics. Now politics don go, we don move ahead. If you say because say we dey at ten d pastor court case wey you get against Obaseki for court, na him dey pay you for body. Say me and Kabaka dey fly business class, na him dey pay you for body. Say people dey see me, they dey appreciate me, na him dey pay you for body. My brother, I go call on my God. Because as e be say you no wan allow us be, na strong thing. Na strong thing na him go meet you. These days now, you don tag some of us to the lions and tigers. These days now, you don dey create hate for people mind against us. Mona, no worry. One more video, then you see what my God can do. Na there I wan leave this matter. So for those of una wey dey live with me, I want to appreciate una. Na people na dey draw my leg dey come out. I dey my own. Abeg, this afternoon around 4 o'clock, now we want to talk to our Edo women. That broadcast go strong well. That broadcast this afternoon 4 o'clock. If you are a real Edo son, join that broadcast. Join that broadcast. And before I leave, you go dey very wrong say I no see advise this boy wey dey call Abat. Tony Kabaka wey you see so, no be your mate. Where God don keep that man so, na only say people dey begin to dey look am like bad people. Even me, from afar, I feel dey look Tony as a bad person, particularly under Oshomole government when they attack us for Imagoro. But when I begin to dey near the guy, I come dey see say this guy get some very nice quality. Before I come meet a truckload of him fans for social media here. Some of them come dey tell me how they carry them go Europe. Some of them come dey tell me how Tony Kabaka take assist them when they dey for street, how they bring them come and clean them up. So I want to advise you, instead of you to think of how you want to advance your life, you go dey talk with pride. They say, man, Tony Kabaka no be your level. Which level wey you get? Which level wey you get? Say governor dey give you money, make you take dey buy gadget dey insult people. They give you money, make you take dey boost your Facebook page to dey insult people. Na that one na be the height wey you don attain. Na you take believe say you and Tony Kabaka now on the same level. For street credibility, stand for road, make Tony stand for road. You know guy you wan take reach am. The guy na only say him shortcomings wey he see himself for life with, na him just be the issue. You know guy you wan take compare yourself with Tony Kabaka. And for the fact say me and am, I look am as somebody wey I respect so much. I no dey hide am. I love the guy. I respect him. I see him as a senior brother. I see him as somebody that I can rely on very many issues, because he's very transparent, very straightforward and criminal elements like some of you. wey dey give una money make una share for people wey follow una work, una dey hijack the money. No go dey compare yourself with that kind guy. Tony Kabaka wey don help for this Benin, dey too many. This morning na who Tony Kabaka help na him wake me up this morning say he wan talk to am this morning. So call na the person na even still draw my attention to this video wey you do 9 hours abi 10 hours ago. My brother, na one I dey warn you, make you take your time before I go let my God before I go let my God face you. Before I go let my God face you. Before I go let my God face you, because the way you take dey talk about my matter, all the good things wey dey do for Benin, you no dey see am talk. Na only the bad ones na you go come out dey talk say Manuel Agbogun this. I happy say you never hear one day say dem say na so Manuel Agbogun thief my money, or dem say na so this one do that one. So na only una wey dey support Obaseki na una dey always dey thief money for wey dem dey give una, una give people. Na una dey always dey thief money wey people donate for una. Na una dey always dey get problem. When una don get problem finish, una wan cover una governor eye for the matter, una dey mention our names. My brother, I don tell you, I get very big God wey dey follow me. I get very very big God. I even see one tell you say if I decide tomorrow to say I wan dey governor camp, that one no fit work. You know guy wan take work because the man, the policies I no understand. If I decide say I wan dey governor camp tomorrow, oh my God, people like una go dey drag space. Na Stanley wey come na you dey lament up and down. So Osakunokodi wey come na you dey lament for almost 2 months now. You dey fight everywhere, bobobo stainless, this one that one. Una dey drag people. They want this one, dey deceive people. They deceive gullible people when they deceive them. Down on our business. So my brother, at 4 p.m. una join me this evening. Well, we wan talk to our Edo women, sorry. And una no forget, those of una wey never do una see up for una land, wey need am at the genuine price, no be all those exorbitant prices dey extort una. Una contact us, we are here. Once again, I wan go now. Abat, I get God o. Abat, I get God. Thank you.